everyone, this is your Kalpana. Today in this video we are going to see constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and finally bi-quadratic polynomial. Okay, first we will begin with constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Okay, example, f of x equals to 5, g of y equals to 3, h of z equals to 2, and so on. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial of degree 0. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. So what are the examples? F of x equals to 5. So consider f of x equals to 5. So you can write 5 as 5 into x power 0. Since x power 0 is equals to 1, right? X power 0 is equals to 1. So 5 can be written as 5 into x power 0. So this is a polynomial of degree 0. This is the polynomial of degree 0. F of x equals to 5 is a constant polynomial since the degree is 0. Okay. Likewise, you can check for g of y equals to 3. G of y equals to 3, which can be written as 3 into x power 0 is also a polynomial of degree 0. Likewise, h of z equals to 2, that is 2 into x power 0. So x power 0, which is nothing but the degree of the polynomial of degree 0. Okay. So next we'll see linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1. Degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Okay. So what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example, f of x equals to 5x plus 3. Okay. So here the exponent of x is 1. Okay. This means this is a polynomial of degree 1. Since this is a polynomial of degree 1, so we call it as linear polynomial. We call it as linear polynomial. Why we are calling it as linear polynomial? Since the polynomial is of degree 1. Okay. Likewise, g of y equals to root 2 into y plus 5. H of z equals to 3z plus 5. Okay. So these are linear polynomials. Linear polynomials. That is a polynomial of degree 1. Okay. Next we'll see quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The name quadratic is derived from quadrate. Which means square. So what is quadratic? Quadratic is nothing but square. Okay. Quadratic is derived from quadrate. Quadrate is nothing but square. Okay. So now let's see quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial, that is a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Okay. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Example, f of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. G of y equals to y square plus 5 and so on. Okay. So here the degree of polynomial is 2. Since this is a degree of polynomial 2, so we can call f of x as a quadratic polynomial. Likewise, g of y, which is equals to y square plus 5, that is, which is a polynomial of degree 2. So we can call g of y as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Okay. So f of x and g of y are quadratic polynomials here. Okay. Now let's see cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example, f of x equals to x cube plus 4x square plus 3x plus 7. Okay. So this is a polynomial of degree 3. This is a polynomial of degree 3. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, so we can call this polynomial as cubic polynomial. So what we can call it as cubic polynomial. Okay. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, so we are calling it as cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Next we'll see bi-quadratic polynomial. Bi-quadratic polynomial. Okay. A fourth degree polynomial is called a biquadratic polynomial. So what is biquadratic polynomial? A fourth degree polynomial is called a biquadratic polynomial. What do you mean by fourth degree polynomial? That is a polynomial of degree 4. Okay. Example. F of x equals to x power 4 plus 2x plus 3, or g of y equals to y power 4 plus 5y cube plus 3y square plus 2y plus 10. Okay. This is a polynomial of degree 4 and it's also a polynomial in variable x. This is a polynomial of degree 4 and polynomial in variable y. So f of x and g of y are biquadratic polynomial because these are the polynomials of degree 4. Okay. Polynomials of degree 4. So we call them as biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Fine. So what we have seen here? Constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Okay. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.